All right, one more topic, and this is probably the most important one, is because we're going to be using fractions in algebra. So we're going to do the things that we did in the first lecture with algebra, determining if a value is a solution to an equation, evaluating expressions, but now we can include fractions as part of our... So this isn't new. The only difference is it's new because it's got fractions in it. Okay. So this is fractions in algebra. Okay. So we do the same thing we did before. All right, determine is the given number a solution to the equation. EQN is equation. Okay, x minus 2/9 x is equal to 1. And the number we want to know is 1 2/7. They're so nice to us, aren't they? Okay. All right. So here we go. 1. So we're going to replace x with 1 2/7.
Okay.
1 2/7 minus 2/9 times 1 2/7. Is that equal to 1? Now, one thing to note later, we haven't taught about like terms. We can combine these two because they're like terms, but we're not going to do that yet because I haven't taught that yet. So those that might know that those are like terms, you can say that that is 7/9 x, but we're not going to do that. And that just destroys the whole question. It is the answer. So anyway, okay. 1 2/7. We got to use the order of operations, so we have to multiply first, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is going to be 2/9 times.
We got to do it in the parentheses first. Don't we want to simplify the?
Yeah, but that's just a number in there. That's 9/7.
We want to simplify that first, though. Okay.
Okay.
And we multiply the two numbers.
Yeah, I'm going to put 1 2/7 out here.
What would be?
Is that equal to 1?
7.
Okay. The 9's cancel.
Right.
And now you can probably see that that's 1 2/7 minus 2/7 is equal to 1.
How did that happen?
I don't know. All right. Next one. One more. 1/5 minus w. Oh no, not w. Is equal to 1/3 of w. And the answer I want to know is 3/20 a solution. Is 3/20 a solution? Okay. So we're going. Oh boy. Okay. So 1/5 minus 3/20. Is that equal to 1/3 times 3/20? And the answer, I can already tell you, is yes. But okay, let's prove it. You can already see that this cancels out when we multiply, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so is that 1/20? So we have to build this up to be 20, so we can subtract.
So
it'll be 4 over 5 times 4 minus 3 over 20. What's 4 minus 3?
20.
4 minus 3 is not 20.
I said 1/20.
Oh, I thought you said 20. Yes, it is a solution. Both of these are solutions. Okay. We have to translate. When we translate these expressions to algebra, it's the same vocabulary that we did in the other one. The only difference is, remember I said of pertains to fractions. Oh, hey, we got somebody watching this. Are we good at math? Yeah, I'm actually pretty good. We're teaching a math class here. How you doing there, Dr. Worrell? If you're still there. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen there. I don't know if he's still there or not. Let me see. Now he left. Okay. Oh well. We're going to translate these back to algebra. Okay. Just remember, of is multiply. So we're going to translate 2/3 of a number decreased by 6. 2/3 of a number decreased by 6. Now I need to check this because I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. 2/3 of a number decreased by 6. Now, remember what I said about commas. Is there a comma?
No.
No. So we're taking 2/3 of a number decreased by 6.
That would be 2x.
No. 2/3
Thirds. Sorry.
of a number decreased by 6. Of is multiply. A number decreased by 6, you do first. You put it in parentheses. And 2/3 of a number decreased by 6.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got it?
Got it.
All right. 3/4 of a number, comma, decreased by 2, is 1/5 of that number. Oh man, these are too long. Okay. Let's squeeze it on there. Okay, 3/4 of a number decreased by 2 is 1/5 of that number. So this comma here means we don't do number decreased by 2 first. That means we take 3/4 of a number decreased by 2
Equals.
is equals 1/5 of the number. And we'll be solving these soon enough, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Aren't you excited?
Whoop, whoop.
You could put that on your you could put the homework on your refrigerator with your gold star.
On my what?
Your refrigerator.
Oh,
you live in Pennsylvania. You don't have a refrigerator. You just open the house and put your
Yeah, we just put our stuff outside.
outside. Yeah, save electricity money.
Yep.
How do you protect it from bears then?
We don't have bears. Just raccoons.
Oh,
And turkeys. And deer.
I think raccoons are worse than bears. Okay, so we're going to talk about temperature again because that's an application of algebra. Now that we couldn't do it, and we did the formula in the last lecture. You know, last time I talked about the formula, but we couldn't do it because we technically hadn't discussed fractions yet. So the temperature on a warm day. Oh, I miss days like this. On a warm spring day is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. What is that in Celsius?
Minus
So-
86.
What?
Nothing.
Did you say minus 52?
No.
Oh. Okay, so here's the formula. I'm going to give you the formula. I don't expect you to memorize it. The formula of Celsius is equal to 5/9, and we take that Fahrenheit, and we subtract 32. Okay. So, not too bad, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So we plug in 77 for f. That's the first thing we need to do. Right?
Mhm.
And then we subtract first, because that's the order of operations, right? We got to do what's in parentheses first. And we subtract that and we get 45.
Right.
Okay. And you can see that 45, well, we can write this as 5/9 times 45 over 1. Yeah. And 45 and 9 are both multiples of
9.
9. So smart. And what's left?
5 times 9 over 9, which is 45.
Yeah. 45 degrees Celsius. Okay. So 77 degrees is 45 degrees Celsius. Okay. And that's I think that's what we got for today's lecture.